Hi, thanks for watching. Today we'll learn about pivot column. So what's pivot column? Well, pivot table have you heard of? We're gonna do something very similar. So we have the data and we create using pivot table. We want to know that from this list, right? How many times that babies um, and toys appear in this list? So let's drag this here and summarize value by count. So that means there are two times that babies and toys appear in this list. So let's take a look at that thing, right? Yeah. So we have only two times babies and toys collected, right? Electronic devices is appear four times. Okay, so that is called count. So can we do the same in PowerQuery, right? The answer is yes. Let's go to data, load this into a PowerQuery, and we're going to use a transform and choose pivot column. And yes, the values column is this. So based on this value, right, we're going to do accurate. So we're going to do a count all, right? So whether it's blank or not, right, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter, it's still count. So this count is just like the pivot table count, and it's count based on that. Let's click OK, and that's it. Let's look at that. Babies and toys is two electrical devices as well, right? So we have this list. So at a glance, it may seem not that useful at the moment, but just like all other Excel functions, right? When you learn how to combine one function to another functions, the miracles happens. Same goes to here, right? So you can go to the view, look at advanced editor. We have a lot of things. We can add a few steps there as well. And thanks for watching. Thank you.